low. Stay low with that. If you go low, you go low too. Crouching tiger.
Oh. You know what, yo? Hey, I was gonna let Dirk move that.
Nice, nice. I need the overhand right. I need to finish with the right.
We gonna cross this side.
Keep it right there. Keep it on the outside. Keep it on the outside. Keep the head moving. That's right. Every time you go down low, you counter that. Boom. Stay on the outside, Lucky. Come on. He's not touching you with nothing. Don't worry about that. Just keep boxing. Circle the other way. Look, he's looking for the uppercut. Come on. Come on. Boom, jab, -1, double 33. Remember, head for the body. If his head moving too much, go for the body. Boom, work. You got George Foreman. You know what we do with George Foreman?
Let me see. Let me see the shot. Let me see the shot. Let me see the shot. There you go.
Keep the defense tight.
Let me see the shot. Let me see the shot.
Boom, they go down periscope with that. L2.
There you go, come on.
Keep the defense tight.
Don't let that up. There you go.
Now, October now. Stay October.
There you go.